Good morning, students. So, welcome back to our e-learning class. You know that we have already started our first chapter, chapter 5. Chapter number, not first chapter, chapter number 5, solids, liquids, and gases. In our previous class, we have done some portions of the chapter. So, today we will continue with the same chapter, solids, liquids, and gases. Okay. So, what we have learned in our previous class, we have learned about matter. Matter means any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Then we have learned what is matter made up of. You know, matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. So, these molecules are very small, so we cannot see them with our naked eyes. They can be seen with the help of the microscope. Then we have seen about states of matter, different states of matter. We have seen that matter exists in 3 states. They are solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Solid state of matter is ice, we can say. Liquid state of matter is water, and gaseous state of matter is steam or water vapor. Then we have seen learned about solids, liquids, and gases. We have learned that in solids the molecules are very closely packed. They are not able to move freely. Therefore, solids have a definite shape and definite volume. Then we have seen, we have learned that the molecules in liquids are less closely packed than solids. They can move freely. Therefore, liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of the content in which they are kept. And liquids are also called fluids because they can flow easily. Then we have also learned about gases, that in gases molecules are very loosely packed. They can move freely. They are far apart from each other, molecules. So gases have no definite shape and definite volume. They can flow more easily than liquids and are also called fluids. Now we will start from do you know. This is from page number 27. So we are learning chapter number 5, solids, liquids, and gases. Just now I have discussed this one, some portion of the chapter. Today we will start from page number 27. Do you know, since molecules of gases have large spaces between them, they can be compressed easily. Okay. As the molecules in gases are very freely, they are very far apart from each other. They are far apart and they are very loosely packed. So, gases, the molecules of gases, they can be compressed. Molecules of gases have large space, so gases can be compressed easily. Now you have to, there is a yellow box there, you have to write that one. You can write this in your book with the pencil. Name any 2 solids. Your question is, this is from page number 27. I am referring to page number 27. Okay. This is name any 2 solids, liquids, and gases other than those mentioned in the lesson. Okay. So, solids, name of solids I can write. Here it is example given: table, pencil, book, truck, car. So I can write stone, it is a solid. Number 2, I can write duster, or pen you can also write. Okay. Then name of liquids, I can write petrol, I can write oil, or I can write also cold drinks, name of cold drinks. Okay, oil, petrol. Then gases, name I can write here. Carbon monoxide. I can write here sulfur dioxide. Many other gases are there, argon, xenon, krypton, radon. Okay, you can write the name also. So here examples are given, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, common examples given. So I have written here carbon monoxide, this is a poisonous gas. Sulfur dioxide, this is also a poisonous gas. Okay, so this is completed now. Now we will go to comparison between solid, liquid and gas. This is from page number 27. See how you can compare a solid, liquid and gas. See point of difference. Number one, shape. Solid, it has a definite shape. Liquid, it has no definite shape, it takes the shape of the container. Gas, it has no definite shape. Volume, solid, it has a definite volume. Liquid, it has a definite volume. Gas, no definite volume, it occupies the space of the container. Hardness, solid, it is generally hard. Liquid, it is not hard. And gas, it is not hard. Flow, solid, it does not flow, means solid does not flow. Liquid can flow. And gas can also flow. Okay, then there is MCQ. We will stop there today after solving the MCQ. See here, we will do the MCQ now. Okay, this is the MCQs. It is given on page number, same page number 27. See here, number 1, you are given the options here. Number 1, matter is made up of tiny particles called dash. Matter is made of tiny particles called molecules, solids or gases. It is molecules. Number 2, number 1 is molecules. Okay, number 2, a matter having definite volume but no definite shape is called solid, liquid or gas. It is liquid. Okay, so okay students, today up to this we have done. We have learnt up to this page number 27. Next day we will start from the rest of the chapter, left from this solid, liquid and gas. Till then, see you again and goodbye to everyone.